everyone. Today we are going to start with the topic magnitude comparator. Magnitude comparator is a combinational circuit that is used to compare two binary numbers. So let us start the designing of magnitude comparator and its working. It's a combinational circuit that compares two given numbers and determines whether the numbers are equal or one is less than another or greater than another. Three outputs will always be there depending on the three conditions of equal, less or greater than. Let us see one bit magnitude comparator. You can see in the truth table we have two number of inputs A and B. So the number of possible combinations will be 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. And now these A and B are being compared, and depending on the comparison the output will be equal to 1. So let us see what happens in the first case when A is compared to the B and its value is 0, 0. As you can see, 0 is always equal to 0. So the output A equal to B will be high. In the second case, what will happen? A is less than B. So the output corresponding to A less than B will be equal to high. Again 1 is being compared to 0. So the output corresponding to A greater than B will be equal to high. Then 1, 1. Again both are equal. So A equal to B will be high. So now we have completed with the truth table and we will now generate the expressions. The expressions corresponding to A greater than B will be equal to, you can see only one output is high, so correspondingly it will be A B bar. For A equal to B, it is A bar B bar plus AB, and for A less than B, it is A bar B. Similarly, depending on these realization, or you can say logic expressions, we have this circuit realization, and this circuit realization can be done using any type of gates. You can either implement it using AOI, that is AND or invert, or using NAND gate. Similarly, we can design 2-bit magnitude comparator. Now the number of bits will be 4. 2 bits we have to compare. So these A3, A2 will be compared with A1, A0, but the number of outputs will remain 3. As when we compare one thing to another, only 3 possibilities are there. Either 1 will be greater than B, or A will be equal to B, or A is less than B. So we will complete this truth table, and again we will find out the logic expressions using K-map. Here we are using K-map because now we have 4 total number of inputs and the number of combinations are from 0 to 15. So we have to take the help of K-map. So here is the K-map solution for the output. As you have already done in your previous unit, the solution of the logic expressions using K-map. The same method we have used over here and got the expressions, and again the circuit realization can be done using any type of gates. Either you can use AOI or NAND gate or NOR gate. So similarly we can design any number of gates, any number of inputs that may be compared with the another one. Thank you.